Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is M.Aditya Pratama and I am from majoring Diploma 3 Mechanical Engineering program. In this video, I will explain about welding machine. So, next guys. In this video, we'll talk about the welding machine, one of the most important tools in the metal fabrication and engineering. A welding machine is used to join two or more metal parts by melting their surface and fusing them together using heat, pressure, or both. Working principle. The basic principle of a welding machine is converting electrical energy into heat. This heat can reach over 3000 Celsius or 5400 Fahrenheit, enough to melt metal. When the metal melts, a filler material or electrode is added to strengthen the joint. As it cools, the metals fuse together to form a strong, permanent bond. Type of welding machines. Number 1. SMAW or Silent Metal Arc Welding. This type uses a flux-coated electrode that melts and forms a protective gas shield. It's simple, portable, and widely used for construction and repair work. MIG Metal Inert Gas Welding. MIG welding uses a continuously fed wire electrode and a protective gas, or argon or CO2, carbon oxide 2. It's fast, clean, and ideal for automotive and industrial manufacturing. Number 3, TIG. Number type 3, tungsten inert gas welding. TIG welding uses a non-consumable tungsten electrode and produce extremely precise clean welds. Extremely precise clean welds, perfect for stainless steel and aluminum. Number 4, oxyacetylene or gas welding. This traditional method This traditional method uses a flame produced by burning acetylene with oxygen. Is commonly used for small repairs. And maybe that's just a little explanation from me. Thank you, happy watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.